Hello from Seoul. We all know the combination of chicken and rice is amazing. But the problem is, you don't have much time on a busy weeknight. But don't worry about it. All you need for this fantastic chicken rice bowl is just 15 minutes. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started. Today, we're gonna be making soy glazed chicken, one of the most classic chicken dishes. This is one of those meals I often make at home, especially when I'm busy. Yeah, it's that quick and easy and super delicious. So once you try it, you will see yourself making it over and over again. So buckle up! For this, you will need some chicken thigh, garlic, ginger, and green onion. That's it. So simple, right? But only chicken and rice? I'm pretty sure that's not what you want. You want to have a more nicely balanced dish with some vegetables, right? So I brought my secret weapon, shishito peppers. This bad boy and soy sauce chicken, trust me, they're match made in heaven. First, smash 5 cloves of garlic and finely chop them. Garlic is like a key to this recipe, so please be super generous with this. The more, the better. Next, grate a small knob of ginger, about 2 teaspoons would be enough. Once that's done, thinly slice some green onions. But you don't need much today. Instead of our lovely green onion, garlic will do the best job for you. For information, the whites are gonna be stir-fried and the greens are gonna be our garnish, so please keep them separately. Now let's move on to the sauce. In a small container, add 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, half a cup of water, and give it a good mix. That's it. So simple, right? FYI, if you want to add a little bit kick to it, then add 1 finely chopped dried chili or pepperoncino. Trust me, they'll make a big difference in taste. This time, let's prep our chicken. Get yourself 600 grams of boneless chicken thighs and pat them dry with paper towel. And then season both sides with salt and pepper and coat them with some cornstarch. Make sure it's evenly coated and shake off the excess. Of course, you could just pan fry it without this process, but if you skip it, the chicken will not absorb enough sauce, so you may miss out on the chance to have the best soy glazed chicken. So I highly recommend doing this. You wanna know what else we shouldn't miss out on? It's today's sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. I'm pretty sure many of you already know this fantastic game because it's played by over 80 million players across the world. I think that's because it's so much fun to play with its endless content. Also, Raid has over 650 unique champions, and that means you can experience a super detailed and tactical RPG battle system with incredible graphics. Among those awesome champions, let me show you my top 3 favorite champions. First, Kalia. She's a workhorse attack champion who's great at burning things. The second is Cardil. He's not the perfect champion for every situation, but in the place where it's good, trust me, he's amazing. Third is Kyoku. She's one of the best team defenders in Raid. And if that wasn't enough, she can put out decreased attack on the entire enemy team. Raid just premiered the limited series called Raid Call of the Arbiter. And to celebrate this, Raid is adding some of the new characters from the series as champions in-game, which means you can play this super cool orc warlord, Artok. You know what's even cooler? It's gonna be available to everyone for free. All you have to do is just log into Raid for 7 days, between now and July 24th. If you haven't started playing yet, then what are you waiting for? Use my link in the description or scan my QR code to get insane bonuses. We're talking an epic champion Drake and other useful things to get started. I'll see you guys on the battlefield. Thank you for sponsoring this video, Raid Shadow Legends. Alright, everything is ready to go. Let's get cooking. Take out a large pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it over medium-high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, place your chicken skin side down. Once you've got good color on one side, flip and cook the other side. The total cooking time will be about 8 minutes. When the chicken is cooked through, remove from the pan and set them aside. Now into this beautiful fat from your chicken, throw in your garlic, ginger, white parts of the green onions, and stir them around for about 30 seconds. This is very important because all the good flavors from our aromatics will take it to the next level. Now let's pour in our sauce and bring it to a boil on a medium-high heat. After 3 minutes, add the chicken back in and continue flipping your chicken for about a minute or 2. It seems like a lot of sauce in the pan, but we're gonna drizzle some of the sauce at the end, so don't worry about it. Alright, looks like it's done. Let's take them out and set them aside. Now for our garnish, let's take out another pan. Add a little bit of oil and place it over medium-high heat. Once it's heated, add your shishito peppers, some salt and pepper to taste, and cook for about 3 minutes or until nice and charred. That's it. So simple, right? Alright, let's get back to our chicken and slice them into nice bite-sized pieces. Look at this. Looks awesome, right? Finally, it's time to assemble. Let's put some rice into a bowl and place our beautiful chicken on top. And then drizzle with some sauce in the pan. Looks good already, right? But don't forget to add some shishito peppers, toasted sesame seeds, and green onions. What? Is it your wife's birthday? Then finish it up with this beautifully cooked soft boiled egg. How does it look? It looks absolutely gorgeous, right? Alright, let's call our taste tester.
Claire?
Wow, love the color, love the presentation. I can't wait to try. Let's give it a go. Look at this beautifully glazed chicken thigh. 건너무 참 맛있게 위에 깨까지 쫙쫙쫙 뿌려져 있네. Cheers. It's absolutely my favorite way to eat chicken thigh. So good. It is so moist and tender on the inside, but the outer skin is so crispy. So it gives it a nice texture to it. So good. 너무 맛있는데? 그리고 딱 넣자마자 소스가 어마무시하게 맛있어. 매번 이런 소스를 자기가 만들 때마다 느끼는 거지만 시중에 파는 데리야끼 소스랑은 정말 비교도 할 수 없는 것 같아. 간장 향이 확 사는 데다가 거기에 왜 마늘이랑 생강이랑 이런 향들까지 같이 어우러져서 너무 과하지 않고 너무 맛있게 그냥 맛이 스며들어 있어. 예술이야. Next time, let's try with rice. 그리고 자기가 여기 옆에다 파도 곁들여 먹으라고 해놓은 것 같아서 곁들여서 먹어볼게. Cheers! 말해 뭐해. 그냥 밥이랑 소스랑 찰떡궁합이다. 너무 맛있다. 소스가 너무 맛있어서 그냥 밥이랑 소스만 비벼가지고 먹어도 너무 맛있을 것 같아. 자, 이제는 이 녀석을 꼭 먹어봐야지. 아까부터 눈길이 너무 가더라고. Look at this char. 이렇게 탄 부분. This is the vibe, right? I just absolutely love this part. Cheers! I was lucky. This is not spicy at all. 약간 운이 안 좋아서 매운 거 걸리면 진짜 말도 못하게 매운데. 이번엔 같이 먹으라고 했었으니까 같이 먹어볼게. 궁합이 진짜 예술이다. 나처럼 약간의 그 스파이시 킥이 필요한 사람은 꼭 넣어줘야 돼. 너무 잘 어울려. But that doesn't mean it's super spicy, so please give it a try. You're gonna love it. But if you're still not sure about this shishito peppers, then try with green beans or broccoli. They are gonna be amazing too. 내가 요거를 되게 좋아하는 이유가 이거 잔뜩 먹고 나잖아? 그러면 하루에 충족돼야 될 비타민을 다 섭취한 느낌이야. That's why I love these shishito peppers. So good. Strongly recommended.
Today, I showed you how to make a soy glazed chicken rice bowl. How was it? If you're thinking it's super simple and delicious, you'll be absolutely right. So please give this a try. Once you try it, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be your new favorite weeknight dinner staple. I guarantee it. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.